It's beautiful afternoon here in Bali in Indonesia today. Saturday afternoon is sunny, not rainy yet. It was a little bit. And today I would like to invite you for the little tour with me around Bali, around the famous spots here. This is the center of Kuta on Saturday afternoon. It's about 4 p.m. So Kuta Square at the beginning. I hope so it's a little bit more alive than usual because it's obviously Saturday afternoon and it's not rainy yet. Nowadays in Bali the weather is not that best. It's rainy quite often, especially last week was pretty wet. But the Kuta Square today, I think nothing really gonna change until the mass tourism gonna come back to Bali. So no quarantines, no PCR tests and things like this. So then the better image and more busy streets gonna be in Bali. But currently just little traffic, at least little traffic for everyone who missed the traffic in Bali already. Hard Rock in Kuta next to Grand Ina. I don't know for why, I mean what's the reason, but so many cars parked around. And this is obviously the Kuta Gate, Kuta Beach Gate. Not many people around, some cars driving around actually. This is little surprise, but it's Saturday afternoon. And don't forget about that, guys. It's 3:30 p.m. exactly. And last time I think was more busier. You never know, like many people already noticed, and I also said few times, some places in Bali, in every area, Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, literally everywhere, even in Ubud, they are just busy, and some other places are simply not busy. Poppy Swan, it's very hot, even it's rainy every day, it's super hot. I could say it's even more hot than usual. That's why I'm so sorry as I'm making a little driving vlog. I really don't feel good if I'm walking like for 20-30 minutes making a vlog, wearing mask, talking in the heat like this. I feel sick for a few hours later on, and that's taking me off from the real life. So I'm apologize for that. I hope so you can still enjoy driving vlog with me. This is a little bit like you are sitting next to me in the passenger seat and enjoy the traffic, because this is the Beach Walk Mall, and obviously here is little bit traffic as expected. Well, this is probably one of the first, not maybe first, but the time when I really miss traffic in Bali. And if you have ever been in Bali before, most of you guys who watching us obviously been many times, regular visitors, you know, as this street in Kuta, this area, sometimes there was the traffic for 1 hour, you stuck here and moving like 0.01 kilometer per hour. That was a true fact. And well, it seems like many tourists, many people, like this car is from AG, I think is from well, somewhere in island in Indonesia, definitely forgot the street. They are going into the mall, that's for sure. And also somebody asked me, why so many motorbikes here? They are people who coming to the beach or to the mall, mostly to the mall, I think, because on the beach is not that many people, also workers and other people. Heading to Legian, and there are some warungs with the merchandises open next to the Garlic Lane. That was the Garlic Lane. I make a vlogs in Garlic Lane already, the Magani Hotel. Yeah, they opened, the local people opened the small warungs on the left, on the right, at least some of them. So they are hoping for some profit from the sales, and some tourists obviously coming, mostly local people. That's nothing has changed till now. Little shot of the Legian Street is definitely much more busier than usual. I mean, like Monday to Friday, but still there's very far to the traffic what everyone of us know, what we remember. Also on weekends they are a little bit more local people, even the Balinese people going out beach, going to the cities, to the malls. Also some shops are open more likely on weekends, Saturday, Sunday, usually, sometimes Friday, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be super extremely quiet still, but on the weekend definitely you can feel a little bit of the vibe. Something is happening. Also the beaches are much more crowded on the weekends, but there is still very far to the traffic, like traffic jams, what we all remember and we miss, or at least some of you miss. So for me, I miss today, but if I gonna stuck here for 2 hours, I will say I don't miss them anymore. And that's the reality. That's how it's life, right? The one Legian, there are some hotels, more budget hotels in Legian. They are here. Budget hotels, budget restaurants, usually 3 stars, sometimes 4, sometimes 2. More deep inside in the small gangs, they are hostels and the guest houses, like I showed you last time 2 or 3 days ago. Gang Street, Benassari and Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, here's even some Warung, but many of the big bars here, unfortunately, they are out of business. They are for sale. So the nightlife in Legian, in Kuta, it's almost not exist. There are actually some bars like who are open, but there is still no nightlife. Unfortunately, like this one is completely closed. They opened the Indomaret here after 1.5 years. And the VIP, they still make a pizza. At least they supposed to make a pizza. Well, what's going on? Hello. Here at the corner is some Mexican or reggae bar. Not sure Mexican or reggae. I'm always curious what's going. I think Mexican. I just wanted to ask your opinion if it's worth it a try. And here is the small strip heading back to Kuta. Somewhere here supposed to be Warung Smad. I don't know if I already passed it or not. I think they are under refurbishment anyways. Here is some small street. Many people is driving here. I mean this Pajero from H. I'm not sure where is it. He's coming here. I wanna follow. No, I'm joking. I know this. Oops, bumpy. I didn't saw the speed bump. I know this street. This is the continuation of the Jalan Benassari. Because there is the one-way road system, you cannot always go both directions. So this is like a little bit continuation to the previous vlogs, Western in Kuta, and I don't really know why it's so many people walking here. I think there is some free food. This lovely guy giving the free food to the local people. This is big stamp up, mate. They are still lovely people around. Maybe he owned the Warung here. Maybe some of you know him, the guy with the long hair, lots of tattoos on his face. Big stamp up, mate. Thank you for doing this. And well, that's the reason why there are so many people. Here somebody opened the new Warung. Looks like a Canggu style. Little bit didn't fit to the Kuta, but yeah, it's good as somebody open. And I'm little bit. Somebody asked me, "Do you know where to go? Have you ever get lost in Bali?" A long time ago, yeah, but now no. But sometimes the small gangs are confusing. Motorbike rental waiting for you, and this is you cannot go straight, so we have to go here. And just half hour later at the front they are already big clouds. It's gonna be rainy for sure. Meanwhile, little traffic here in Kuta in one junction. Even the bus this is the public transport in Bali, by the way. There is also the new attraction, mascot on the street, and sometimes the local people stop with the small kids. There's definitely big fun for the kids. He's happy. and with this ending happy moment with the mascot. I would like to say thank you so much for watching. If you are still till this moment, it wasn't too boring for you, you can also comment below, and I will see you tomorrow.